Topic is 1857 Sepoy Revolt. Causes of 1857 was doctrine of lapse. This is important concept which was brought by Lord Dalhousie, which means that when there is no hereditary, means own son, if they does not possess own successor, own child or successor, that particular kingdom will be taken by British. So in this way many rulers were not having own sons, so because of this they have started taking their kingdoms and their property. This was bought by Dalhousie. He was the governor who bought this type of concept. So it was mainly involved in Hindu rulers without natural heir, means there is no own son. If there is adopted successor, means they will be taking off their kingdoms. In this way many rulers were there whose kingdoms have been taken away, and these people have revolted against this British people. And there was a discontent of the Brahmins, many of whom have been, because of their revenue and lost lucrative position. So these people have bought some social religious causes like banning of sati and yagas, pujas. So earlier Brahmins community used to get money or gifts from performing these things, but after Britishers have entered, they have stopped all these religious causes and they have started promoting Western civilization, Western culture, and promoted Christianity. This was also one of the cause for Brahmins disappointment. So in 1815 what happened, Hindu law was, they have made some changes, that is converting Hindus into Christians by opening missionaries. Means they have given permissions not only for trade purpose. Now the British people slowly started to open churches, preach regarding Christianism and convert Indians into Christians. And they have brought some social changes, that is sati, killing of female infanticides, means small girl childs. Means sati means when husband dies, wife was put into fire along with dead body. So this kind of systems were banned by the Britishers. And widow remarriages was bought, means the people who have widow, they can again remarry. These were social changes with, along with social reformers and British peoples. These are the changes these people have bought. And they have westernized education, not gurukuls, like they have started English education for Hindus as well as Muslims also. And they have introduced development things like railways, telegraphs. So the main causes of this revolt were economic causes, social causes, religious causes, and political causes, military causes. So in economic causes, they were started to drain the wealth of India. And now company has started export of all goods. And social changes like stopping Brahmin hierarchy was stopped, and brought some changes like sati was abolished, female infanticide, and widow remarriages. Here religious conversion of Hindus into Christians. Political cause, till now they were only trading, but from here they have started to capture the colonies and started to rule. Military causes, British soldiers were paid more pay they were called soldiers. Britishers were called soldiers, and the Indians were called Sipahi. Let's pay for these people. These are the causes which were problematic in India. Because of all these things, the revolts have been started, and Dalhousie has brought doctrine of lapse. In this one, like Rani Rudramadevi, Rani Jhansi, Nana Sahib, so many rulers were not having the natural heir, so they asked through the process of doctrine of lapse, Dalhousie started to annex their kingdoms and take control of that things. And because of all these activities, the rulers have been revolted against this act of British people. Economic cause, and the economic cause was they were with the rule of zamindars, they were making heavy taxes on the land. Because of that, the revenue collection was increased to the company, but not much left to the peasants. Peasants were in loss, and these people were not happy with this one, and there was heavy revenue demand, and the money there was more demand for money, because to export the goods from India to England, they need money. So whatever the revenue is coming here, the revenue received in India is being used to transport goods. And large number of Sipahis belongs to peasantry class, that is poor people here, and they have their families, and they are also affected. Because here what happened means, the people who are soldiers, the British soldiers were posted at good places, and they were provided vehicles, but the Sipahis have to go for long way for their post, the place where they are working, and they need to pay their own charges. They were not paid for charges also. So in this way, what they are getting, it is going on these things only. And the place of work for Britishers was good, and place of work for Indians were not good. And here these people have started importing the manufactured goods to India, so that local traditionals of India have been ruined. Local industries like Charkha, all these have been ruined, because they are making the plastic materials or manufactured goods and sending into India, and because of this, the Indian market was in losses. So this was the big economic cause. So this was told by Dadabhai Naoroji in his book Drain of Wealth. Military cause. The military cause happened in 1857. There was a person called Mangal Pandey. So here what happened, it was also called with Sipahi Mutiny. Actually, Indian Sipahis were more than 87%. British troops were less, but to control or to conquer any place, they needed Indian soldiers. So for that purpose, but the Indian soldiers were more in number, and Indian soldiers were paid very much less amount, and European Sipahis were with the same rank were paid more amount, and they were posted at severe far away from home. This was the big problem for Sipahi people. And in 1857, Lord Canning has issued some service enlistment act, because with this what happened means, Sipahi should be ready to serve even other than India, means even they were sent for other countries also for wars. So the Indian people felt not good regarding this act, and a person called Mangal Pandey, and they were giving the weapons, gun bullets, which are called cartridges. These cartridges were made up were big and cow fat was used for greasing of these bullets. So when they are using these bullets, they need to open these cartridges with their mouths. So many people were Brahmins here. So the people felt some religious beliefs that this is not a good sign for Hindus, which is getting by the British people. British people are not treating Indians as a good. So in this way, Mangal Pandey has revolted in Kanpur. Lord Cannings. So he was mainly introduced portfolio system. So in this one, what happened? They have bought doctrine of lapse. Mutiny, because we have seen just now 1857 revolt was happened. So this was main revolt, means the people, some people united, that were Rani Lakshmibai of Jhansi, Nana Sahib of Kanpur, Begum Hazrat Mahal of Lucknow. So Lucknow, Kanwar Singh of Ara, Tantia, Tope. So all these people started a revolt, that is this all people came together and started a revolt against the British people. And because of this, Lord Canning have brought all these changes, that if any people are doing any crimes, so they have brought code of criminal procedure, and they have established high courts to execute or trial the people who are making this kind of things, and they have brought Indian Penal Code 1858. So these all are few causes. All these are the causes together lead to 1857 revolt. But the main was incident of greased cartridges. Because of this, the people have revolted against the Britishers. That is on March 1857, Mangal Pandey, a sepoy in Barakpur. So he attacked his senior officers, and the officer was killed by Mangal Pandey. And after that one, Mangal Pandey was hanged to death on 8th April. And 9th May 1855, soldiers in Meerut refused. So they were ready to use the new rifles. So these were the causes. And the final why failure of, so this was the causes of 1857 revolt. So why it was failure? So the failure was 1857 revolt was failed because of poorly organization. Organizations were not good, like Jhansi Lakshmibai, Nana Sahib, Hazrat Mahal. All these people were not coordinated with one another, but the British people were coordinating with one another. And there were rebellions wrapped, means there was spies in the ruler itself. Some people were given money by the Britishers, and where they were, the sources were leaked to the Britishers, and they have catched that rulers and killed. And Indians believed superstitious beliefs and no modernized army. This revolt was no modernized army or ammunition. Because of this, Indians were suppressed.